In 1914, Lassen Peak began to awaken from a long, deep sleep. This was the beginning of a continuous series of eruptions. On June 14, 1914, Benjamin Loomis was ready with his camera equipment, hoping to capture the impending eruption. At 9:43 a.m., Lassen Peak began this show so gracefully captured by Loomis. The volcano spewed steam, ash, and rocks all around the surrounding area. A year later, Lassen Peak's most volatile eruption occurred. In 1915, Lassen started to erupt, but this time, hot lava spewed from the volcano and red-hot fireballs rolled down the mountain. A few days later, a massive mud flow devastated the north side. A wall up to 20 feet high rushed down, carrying water, lava, mud, and ash. The force was so great, it brought 20-ton boulders down from the peak. A few days later, Lassen Peak climaxed with an explosive eruption, spewing ash and steam 30,000 feet into the air. A hot cloud of gas flowed down the mountainside, completely leveling the forest in its path. In the end, 298 eruptions were recorded until Lassen Peak finally went to sleep again until another day. Lassen also has several active geothermal areas. The rising steam, boiling waters, and bubbling mud pots is a visible indication that the Lassen area is presently active with volcanism. Sulfur Works, one of Lassen's geothermal areas, originates miles below the surface. High temperatures from molten magma heat rock deep below the surface. Water seeps into the ground, making contact with the heated rock. The intense heat and pressure cause the water to rise back to the surface, escaping as steam, boiling water, and bubbling mud pots. Algae grow around the outer edges of clear water pools, adding their vibrant colors. Lying in the shadow of Bumpus Mountain is Bumpus Hell, the largest geothermal area here at Lassen. High temperatures and acidic waters produce a very strange environment. Bacteria and algae have adapted to this harsh land. By metabolizing sulfur released here, bacteria produce a weak sulfuric acid. The intense heat below the surface keeps this area hot and alive, even when snow covers the surrounding area. Mountain hemlock trees stand in groves, resilient even in the deepest snows of winter. Lassen is a place of renewal, forever rebuilding on a land destroyed by its volcanoes. This unique diversity causes Lassen to be one of the most beautiful parks in America. Lava, frozen in time, is a remnant of ancient eruptions. Plant life grows forcefully from the nitrogen-rich soil, ignoring the volcanic remains of lava. Fresh green forests encompass this area. These trees are in their youth, the early stages of recovery. In time, they will hide the volcanic remnants here. Many types of trees are found at different elevations. Yellow ponderosa pine grow in the lower elevations. These trees grow to immense heights, adding to this delicate ecosystem. Whitebark pine grow in the subalpine areas. They huddle together, protecting themselves from the strong winds, growing at altitudes of 8,000 feet and up. Lichen are found clinging onto trees and to rocks. Actually, a combination of algae and fungi, lichen can adapt to the harshest of areas.